Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a story that happened a few months ago, and I did not know anything about it until one of my subscribers sent it to me. And shout out to all my Canada people that subscribe to me that send me these stories. And it says popular Toronto restaurateur Merrick Owen Aries shot to death in Jamaica. Me sure not me alone. Never hear about this story. But anyways, it says Aries' partially decomposed corpse was found stashed in bushes in Salt River, Clarendon, an area well known for criminal activity. He had been shot multiple times in the head and upper body. Now, detectives say that they are trying to establish a motive for the Canadian's man's shocking slaying. But their working theory is that Aries was lured to the area where he was robbed and murdered. His rental car was discovered at the scene. And this right here is why I think this was not a robbery, because if they're going to rob somebody in Jamaica, they're also going to take the car. From doing this for a long time, normally when people are robbed and murdered in Jamaica, they normally take everything that they can of value, and the car would definitely be something of value. Local media reports that Aries arrived at Sangsters International Airport in St. James, Jamaica on October 14th and had been slated to leave this Monday coming. He rented the car in St. James on the day he arrived. Aries, who friends called him Owen, co-owner of the diner corner with his brother, the Nosh Plate, was well known for selling authentic Jamaican cuisine. The news stunned friends and patrons of the diner's corner. On Facebook, a user wrote, "Owen, the co-owner of the Diner's Corner in Toronto, was a dear friend. Owen always embodied warmth, tranquility, and a commitment to delivering exceptional service, a trait he instilled in his dedicated staff. My heart goes out to Owen's family and friends, both near and far." Another wrote, "I'm in shock. I just met him at Blacanala this year. Such a beautiful soul he was. May he rest in peace. Stolen from us." Aries reportedly immigrated to Canada in the 2000s after learning his cooking skills on the island. One friend wrote, "Owen was friendly, calm, and believed in providing the best service to his customers. That was what he shared with and expected of his staff." We miss you, Owen, Merrick Aries. We miss the conversations, laughter, the sweet potato pudding, nicely decorated and presented, and your warm hospital presence in the restaurant. We hope that whoever took your life will be found and that this happens quickly. Oh, what distressful news. Walk good, my friend. This story, I did not hear anything about it until someone sent it to me. And I will say this story kind of is suspect to me, because normally when you go to Jamaica and you're getting robbed, they do not leave the car. They literally rob you of all your possessions of value. So this kind of seems like a hit to me. Someone paid someone to take him out, and that's just my opinion. And maybe because I have been doing these stories for a while and normally is not as cut and dry as people like for it to believe, or the police theories are in Jamaica. It's normally way more deeper than people think. And maybe I'm just a little bit paranoid, but this one seems like this was a professional hit, because if it wasn't, they would have taken the car and they would have sold it, scrap it, do whatever they needed to do to get money out of the car. But maybe they didn't take the car because they knew that the car was a rental and it could be tracked and traced to wherever they took it from. And then again, it's very hard to track and trace rental cars in Jamaica, especially if you're going to certain rural parts of Jamaica. It's very, very hard to track and trace rental vehicles. I've seen plenty of foreigners or returning residents go to Jamaica and have their rental vehicle for an extended period of time, and the rental companies can't get a hold of them because they don't know where on the island they are or how to get back their vehicle, and they have to put it in the news to get word to them because they either haven't paid for an extended period or they need the car. So with that being said, I hope his family get some sort of justice. I hope they get some sort of answer, and I hope that everything goes well with his restaurant, because losing someone that was an integral part of a business is very hard, especially from the comments and everyone saying that he was hospitable, he was dedicated, and everything that he brought to that restaurant. Finding someone to replace him or finding someone to give that same energy to that restaurant is going to be very hard. Restaurant business is no easy feat, especially Jamaican restaurant. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here. Tell me what your thoughts are. Do you think it is a robbery gone bad? Do you think it was a hit? What are your thoughts? Put them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.